Okay, I wanted to show everyone real quick a perfect example of the difference in a 3-tab roof and a dimensional architectural shingled roof. In my area here in Florida, anytime you see a 3-tab roof, you can just about guarantee it's going to be the kiss of death. When these roofs were replaced years ago, or they were put on, I imagine this one's probably going to be the original. You see the neighbors the same way, missing shingles. But the 3-tab roof is where all the shingle edges touch. Okay, and you can see how they all touch. Nothing's overlapping. But the neighbors right here, these two houses, you see how they have that 3D effect? That's architectural shingles. That's what you want nowadays. Everybody puts these on nowadays. Nobody goes back with a 3-tab. The shingles aren't as good. They don't last as long, and they're just, they're not as, but they're not as high quality. But that's the difference in the two roofs we have here in Northwest Florida: architectural or shingled, and 3-tab. And remember, 3-tab is bad. Just like this roof, it's going to have to be replaced. There's no questions about it. Alright, I hope that video helps. Please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about buying a house, selling a house, roofs, insurance, whatever it might be, real estate related, foreclosures, whatever, please leave a question in the comment, give me a call, send me an email. Thanks, and have a great day.